The team at Vredevoogd is always at the ready to help make sure our homes are toasty warm and ready for the winter.
Yeah, but for so many, repairing or replacing a furnace just isn't an option this year. And that is where the Grateful Giveaway comes in, a chance for the company to give back to deserving families. We've got Amanda Brenner and Samantha Tazioli, both from Vredevoogd, to tell us more. Ladies, thanks for being here.
Yeah, thank you so much for having us.
So you guys have been doing this for a few years now. Tell us what the Grateful Giveaway is all about.
Yeah, so this is our third annual Grateful Giveaway. We are partnering with Williams Distribution to give away 3 free furnaces to people in our community who have gone above and beyond.
That's amazing. Three free furnaces being given away. So obviously when the weather hits, you know, we just turn up our thermostats a little bit. That's not the case for everyone. How does someone become a person who might receive one of those free furnaces?
Yeah, so they can go on our website right now to vredevoogd.com/grateful giveaway, and we have a form so you can nominate yourself or someone else. Just ask you a few qualifying questions, you know, get our heartstrings a little bit.
Okay, perfect. So let's talk about, you know, the why. Why do you guys do this every year?
Yeah, so one of our core values at Vredevoogd is to show others that you care, and I think this is a great way to not only show our employees that we care, but show the community, hey, we're there, we care, we want to go above and beyond. Let's find someone, connect with them in the community who has done something great or maybe just needs some extra help this holiday season and give them a free furnace.
Love it when companies do this, paying it forward, giving back to the community. I mean, you said this has been going on for a few years. What is it? Any feedback from the first year? I mean, how did it go? Obviously, it went well because you're still doing it.
Yeah, it's been amazing. We've been able to give to nurses, veterans. Last year, we gave to someone who mentors young teenage girls. So what a fun opportunity for them and for us.
Okay, perfect. So if you know somebody or yourself, you think you deserve it. There's a nomination period. Let's talk about that and how people go about. And tell us kind of some of the qualifications you're looking for people.
Yeah, so nominations are open on our website, like Amanda said. They're open now until November 11th, and then we'll finalize winners by November 25th. Just go onto our website. There's a form. It asks you your name, who you're nominating, and a little bit about why. It can be, a couple sentences. It can be paragraphs. We get an email, and we love reading them all in office. Just kind of see, what's going on in the community, and who maybe is deserving this year, and who we can help out.
It's a great chance to share your story and maybe receive some great help. Is there a deadline for people to do this? They got to get it in soon, right? Or can you repeat that? I might have missed it.
Yeah, November 11th.
11th, okay. November 11th, you got to get these in. Can I just take a left turn here real quick and applaud you guys on your billboards? I know we're talking about something, but these Vogue billboards, these Vredevoogd photos are hilarious. Who are these people we're seeing on them? Are they like the owner's sons or
they are our technicians.
Are they really the technicians?
They are really just our technicians. They're amazing. They love it.
I bet they do. They are actually on billboards wearing their bow ties looking very Vogue. Very Vogue.
Yes.
Get us how to pronounce the name. Yes,
Vogue.
right.
Awesome. Wonderful. Ladies, well, thank you so much for being here. We truly appreciate it. And so there you go. Nominations are open. You can scan that QR code right there on your screen. You have until November 11th. So get to nominating. You can also go to vredevoogd.com, follow them on Facebook, on Instagram, or if you need service, give them a call, 844-HVAC 365. We'll be right back.